Outreach users, we have an announcement for you. You can now call your outreach prospects using DialIQ's AI-powered dialers and make up to 300 to 350 calls per hour. DialIQ, in combination with Outreach, focuses on speed, the quality of the conversation, and connection rate by removing idle time or unproductive time that comes with manually punching numbers. With DialIQ, outreach users can increase call volume, improve connection rate, get actionable coaching insights, and eliminate operational work. To increase call volume, DialIQ offers the parallel and power dialer. With the parallel dialer, you can call up to 5 prospects simultaneously and make up to 300 to 350 dials per hour. The power dialer automatically calls one number after the other without the need to manually punch numbers every time. To make calls to your outreach contacts with these dialers, you'll be able to import contacts with call tasks from outreach sequences into DialIQ with a single click. While your dial volume increases, DialIQ enables you to focus on increasing your connect rate with a combination of features like voicemail drop, a smarter way to leave voicemails when you're making calls at scale. Voicemail drop allows you to leave pre-recorded messages to each prospect, saving so much of your time. Number rotation allows users to rotate numbers to avoid being marked as spam when calling multiple people from the same number. Local dialing. For local presence dialing, the caller ID displays a local phone number to the recipient, even if the call originates from a different location. And finally, time zone detection. Sidestep tricky time zone conversions and avoid calling at odd hours with DialIQ's time zone detection feature that displays your prospect's exact time when you're about to call. While your reps are able to increase call volume and get better connect rates, it's essential for sales managers to track these calls and coach their reps to get better at sales conversations. Enter AI Talk Track Tables. This feature uses AI to turn unstructured call data into a structured format for easy review and coaching. DialIQ's AI understands your cold calling methodology, scores adherence, and highlights gaps that helps managers find coachable moments in seconds. Sales managers no longer need to spend hours listening to call recordings or reading through transcripts. In addition to these, DialIQ offers features that help eliminate manual or operational work that sales reps waste their time doing. Automatic outreach updation. After every call, the call details, notes, and recordings are automatically updated in Outreach. Live transcript. With live transcription during the call, you can stop taking notes on the side and completely focus on the conversation. AI voicemail detection. It detects when a call is reaching voicemail, so you can skip it and not waste time waiting for a response. The DialIQ and Outreach combination enables your sales reps to make around 300 to 350 calls per hour and get more meetings scheduled. So book a demo now.